Shoulder pressing pose or Bhujapidasana in Sanskrit. Bhuja means arm or shoulder. Pida means pressure. Asana pose. The shoulder pressing pose is known to be a simple, yet it is only with practice that you can get used to the pressure it exerts on the shoulders. Patience and perseverance will give you the stamina, strength, balance, and willpower to master this asana. Start in a squat position with the feet hip width distance. Place both palms flat on the floor between the feet. Inhale, raise the hips up and lean your body slightly forward. Exhale, snug your right upper arm and shoulder as much as possible under the back of your right thigh, just above the knee, and place your right hand underneath of the right foot. Then repeat on the left. As you do this, your upper back will round. Press your inner hands firmly against the floor and slowly begin to rock your weight back off your feet and onto your hands. As you straighten your arms, your feet will lift lightly off the floor, not by raw strength, but by carefully shifting your center of gravity. Slowly increase the level of activation throughout the whole body. Spread the shoulder blades, engage your core muscles, knit the ribcage together, draw inner thighs toward each other. Exhale, press legs into arms and cross right foot over the left. Flex and feet firmly around each other. Repeat the pose a second time with the left ankle on top. Breathe while holding the pose. To release, exhale and reverse the order of movements.